On air, online, on your side. You're watching KGUN 9 News at 5.
The first round of vaccines today for Tucson Police. We hear from Chris Magnus as he receives his COVID shot and find out how the state is handling a short drug supply. Good evening. Thank you for joining us. I'm Valerie Cavazos.
And I'm Pat Paris. The vaccine not mandated for either TPD or the Pima County Sheriff's Department, but highly encouraged.
Police Chief Chris Magnus getting his first shot, as you saw. And 9 on your side's Taja Davis was there and has the details.
TPD personnel began receiving COVID-19 vaccinations Friday. Tucson Fire Department paramedics, the county, and Tucson Medical Center were all there administering the first of Moderna's injections.
I think if we didn't have all these people working together, this wouldn't be up and running. So I really want to appreciate that.
Priority on Friday was given to officers and sergeants who respond to 911 calls. TPD Chief Chris Magnus was the first to receive the shot, and he said getting the COVID-19 vaccination is voluntary in his department.
I'm hoping to sort of lead by example within the police department because we want to see as many of our personnel, whether they're officers, sergeants, whatever rank, especially if they're out on the street, we want to see them get vaccinated.
Department members who did not receive the vaccine have another chance on Wednesday. But Chief Magnus says, along with Friday, those slots are already full. Arizona Department of Health Services Director Dr. Kara Christ held an information session about the vaccine and distribution plans. Here's what she had to say about her plans to add more vaccination sites, but possibly not having enough doses to do so after officials announced there is no federal reserve of vaccine doses.
For us, we have been planning on the dose we get allocated each week, so it's not going to impact our plans significantly. So we are being very careful. We don't want to overpromise anything, and so we are sticking to our vaccine allocation. Now, that being said, that is our limitation, is that we are not getting as much vaccine as we would like to see in Arizona. We have made federal requests to get additional vaccine so that we can continue to vaccinate. But it's one of those things that we're working with our federal partners to ensure that we can keep our current vaccination sites and add those additional sites as planned.
So far, Arizona has administered more than 232,000 doses of the vaccine. Taja Davis, KGUN 9 on your side.
And the Pima County Sheriff's Department started their vaccination process yesterday. Sheriff Chris Nanos is scheduled to get his first dose Tuesday.
Pima County Health Department has a new phone number to help people register for a COVID-19 vaccine. The number on your screen, we're going to leave this up here for a little bit so you have time to write it down, 520-222-0119. Registration for Phase 1B in Pima County started this week. That includes those 75 years and older, teachers and law enforcement. An appointment is needed to receive a vaccine. You can register online or you can register by calling the new number. Again, 520-222-0119. More information about the Phase 1B rollout in Pima County can be found on our website, kgun9.com.